हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन डिवाइडेड डिफरेंस टेबल। सो बिफोर मेकिंग दिस टेबल, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन हियर. So for the interpolation formula for the equal interval, we have Newton forward formula, Newton backward formula, and difference, central difference formula. So for Newton forward and Newton backward, for applying the Newton backward and forward, we have difference table. Okay, we have the difference table. Now for unequal intervals, data with unequal intervals, we have the Lagrange's polynomial, and this is the divided difference formula. So in the divided difference formula, how to form the divided difference table, that we are going to see in this video. In that Newton backward and forward, we have created the difference table. Here we have the divided difference table. Let me see what is the difference table we have. So let data is given x0 y0, okay, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Fine. Okay, so we'll have the difference table here. x0 corresponding we have y0, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So the notation of divided difference will be, will straight line. So same as forward operator, but in the middle we have this line. So this is the notation of divided difference of fx. So let me write the first column of divided difference of f of x. So here divided difference of y0, it will be your y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. Here in the denominator, here we are dividing with the x1 minus x0, so we say the divided difference. If I go for divided difference of y1, so it will be your y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here the for y0, this is for your y1, and if you have the y2, so y2 will be your y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2. So this is the first divided difference of y0, y1, y2. For y0 we have x1 minus x0, for y1 we have x2 minus x0, and for y2 we have x3 minus x2. Fine. Okay. Now let us have the square things. Del square f. Fine. Del square f. So here we have del square y0 equal to del square y0 will be your del y1 minus del y0 divided by, here square we have, so it are to the x2 minus x0. So here we have del y1 minus del y0. So what is x here? x2 minus x0. Fine. Now if you have the del square of y1, so we will get the del of y2 minus del of y1 divided by, you see, del square of y1, so we are taking the del y2. So del y2 we have x3 here, right? So x3 minus x1. So x3 minus x1. Now Now what is the cube one? Let me write the cube. Del cube of y0. So this will be your del square y1 minus del square y0 divided by, you see, del square y1 we have x3 and del square y1 we have x0. So x3 minus x0. So x3 minus x0. So this is your divided difference. Fine. Let me take some numeric value so it is more clear. Fine. I have given that concept. I will take one numeric value, numerical data set. Then we will try to write the difference table. Fine. Okay. So data we have. Let me take the data set. I have data x and y. I have x equal to 1, y equal to 22, x equal to 2, your y equal to 30, x equal to 4, y equal to 82, and x equal to 5, no, x equal to 7, your y equal to 106, and x equal to 12, 216. So this is your data set. So first we write the divide difference. So first we have the y0. So if you see this data set, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So del of y0 equal to, we know that y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0. So y1 30 minus 22 divided by 2 by 1. So we get 8, right? 30 minus 22 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So we get the 8. And now then y1. So we get the y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 equal to 80 minus 30 divided by the 4 minus 2. So 82 minus 30 divided by 4 minus 2. So this will be your 8 and 7 minus 3 4 by 2. So 24. Fine. We get 24. 82 minus 30 by 4 minus 2. So we get 8. We get the 6 here, right? Yeah. 24 only, right? Yeah. So 5 here. Sorry. 5. So we get 26. Now del of y2. So it will be y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2. So y3 is 106 minus 82 divided by 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. So this is your del y2. So we have 8 here, and del y3 equal to y4 minus y3 by x4 minus x3. So you substitute the value, you get the answer. So it will be your 24. 216 minus 106 divided by 12 minus 7. So we get the 22. Fine. So this is your first divided difference. So I have limited place. So this is the 8. This is the 26. 8, 22. So I have 8, 26, 8, 22. Fine. Okay. Now let me write the delta square y. So delta square y0 equal to delta y1 minus delta y0 divided by y1. So y1 we have x2, right? So we have a x2 minus x0. So we get 26 minus 8 divided by x2 minus x0. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 18 by 3 equal to 6. Fine. Okay. Second one. Delta square y1. So we get del y2 minus del y1 divided by x3 minus x1. Delta square. So we are taking del y2. So del y2 means x3 minus x1. Fine. So your del y2 is 8 minus 26 divided by x3 minus x1. So x3 equal to 7, x1 equal to 2. So x3 by 2 is 5. So 5. So we have minus 3.6. And delta cube y2 equal to del y3 22 minus del y2 8 divided by 12 minus 4 x4 minus x2. So 12 minus 4 equal to 8. 12 minus 8 equal to 8. Delta 3. So we have 1.75. So this is your. So delta square y0 I have 6 here. Delta square y1 is minus 3.6. And this is the 1.75. 1.75. Fine. Now let us see the cube. Delta qy. So delta qy0 means delta square y1 minus delta square y0. So 3.6 minus 6 divided by we have 7 minus 1 x3 minus x0. Why x3? Because we are using the delta square y1, so then x3 will come. So 7 minus 1, so we get 6. So 3.5 minus 6 by 6, right? Okay, so we get the minus. We have minus here. So minus 3.6 minus 6 by 6, we get the minus 1.6. And delta q y1 means delta square, this is square, right? Yeah. Delta square y2 minus delta square y1. So 1.75 minus plus 3.6 divided by x4 minus x1. So 12 minus 2, 10. 12 minus 2, 10, right? So your delta q y1 answer will be 0.535. So the last we get the delta 4y0. So delta q y1 minus delta q y0. So 0.535 plus 1.6 divided by, so delta q y1. So x4 minus x0. So 12 minus 1, 11. So this answer is 0.194. So 0.194. So this is your delta 4y0. Fine. So this is difference table. It's very simple. If you have this delta y0, so y2 minus y1 by x1 minus x0, x2 minus x0, x1 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2, x4 minus x3. This is for the first del y. Delta square y means we'll get the x2 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x4 minus x2. And same way, if you go for cube means your x3 minus x0, x4 minus x1. And if you get that 4 last one, so we get x4 minus x0. So this is difference table. Just try to take some other data set and try and see. You can write difference table. So this difference divided difference table will use the divided difference interpolation. Thank you.